Okay guys, we're here with Kirsten and we're gonna show you a cute style you can wear to work, you can wear to the dance studio, you can wear to school, anything you want. So it's really easy. We're gonna leave her cute bang out and we're gonna start with a little pony right here, and we're just gonna wrap this guy around like so. And then we're gonna take 2 sections from each side under the pony, and we are going to make another pony on top of the first pony. And then we're gonna kind of pull that out a little, make another pony on top. And we're just going to kind of poof that out a little bit. We are going to take this cute heart clip and we are going to put it right on that last pull through. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so again, taking 2 sections on top of that guy, we're just going to kind of poof out that little guy. And then do one more. Try not to put the rubber bands in your mouth. And then poof this guy. Is it even on both sides? Okay, and then take this cute little heart. Make sure he's not upside down. There you have it, the cute half up hairstyle. Don't forget to subscribe and like down below, and we will see you next time.